Heroes are often not visible at first glance. But you can find them here, but also here, and even when you don't expect or notice them at all. From the smallest fastening element to the most advanced engineering or smart factory solution, at Bossard, we have grown up with some of the hidden heroes for nearly 200 years. They might appear as simple products or sophisticated services, but their impact is profound. These hidden heroes are the backbone of our customers' success. Have you ever wondered what makes your products better, your operations smoother, or your processes more sustainable? It's the hidden heroes at work, across various industries. They make our lives better. Also yours?